Today, I'm excited to share with you a delicious recipe for chicken chili dry. This is a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Chicken marination. For the chicken marination, 1 kilogram boneless chicken, cut into small cubes, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a small quantity of ginger powder, optional, 1 beaten egg, 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix all the ingredients together until the chicken is well coated. Frying the chicken. After the marination, deep fry the chicken cubes until they're golden brown. In another pan, heat some oil and saute the ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Add 10 to 15 thin-cut green chilies and saute. Now, add the fried chicken cubes to the pan and pour in the sauce mixture. This consists of 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a cup of chicken broth, yakni, half a cup of ketchup. Mix everything together well. Finally, garnish with sliced green chilies and ginger. Your delicious chicken chili dry is now ready to be served. Enjoy!